G'day to you from me, BenieB in Hamilton's. When repairing exterior plaster cracks, and I'm not talking about fine ones, but very large, deep plaster cracks, we need to use a cement-based filler that is suitable for exterior use and not your typical poly fillers. Okay, step one, get the dust and debris out the crack using a paintbrush. Once that's been done, we need to use a keying agent because I want to make sure that we're going to have adhesion, and I'm using a Shax Plaster key. We're going to brush this into the crack, and once this is sort of tacky, dry, that's about 15 minutes, we can then make up our filler and fill accordingly. Okay, so throw some of your filler into the tray, add clean water, but slowly, very little, rather add bit by bit. You don't want to overthrow with water because then it becomes almost like paint, a slurry, and you don't want that. It must be a very nice, thick consistency, like I would say, like a bread dough almost. So slowly add water until you've got that right consistency. And then once that has been achieved, you're ready to fill that crack that's been primed with plaster key. Okay, so that looks like it's well mixed and ready for use. So application thickness should be less than 10 mil with a type of a patching plaster filler that I'm using. So this crack's not quite 10 mil, so I can fill one go. And they say allow 2 hours drying time before priming. So read the instructions on the filler packaging and apply as recommended. But you can fill nice and deep with these masonry type fillers. Just smooth it all off. And what I like to do, I take a trowel and just sort of run it over the surface of the crack. It takes off all the loose debris. And there we go, looking good. So the crack's all dry and ready for priming. So we prime all our repair areas with masonry primer, or otherwise known as plaster primer. We leave overnight. I'm now, once dry, ready to do all the cutting in, and I'm using a Hamilton utility brush, an all-round general purpose brush. And I'm rolling the wall with a polypile roller, an excellent roller from Hamilton's for smooth surfaces for interior and exterior walls. So with all the right products from Hamilton's, the fillers, we always going to get that perfect finish.